Hello everyone, this is Daniel and this is my sprint update for this sprint. For this sprint, one of the features we worked on was to introduce to give a user the ability to reuse a deleted form's name. This is helpful because sometimes a user deletes a form with the intentions of reusing the form's name. Think of it like every time I delete a form, I have to look for a new name. So that wasn't a good use case, and we thought of doing this will go a long way in helping user to be able to, as far as reusability is concerned. So let me delete the first form and see if I can be able to create a new form with the same name. So the form's name was Ntuba form. And let me draw be an admin, and now let me submit the request. So as you can see, I've been able to reuse the name previously, the name of the form I previously deleted. For this sprint, another features we worked on was to implement a permission framework. So we've been having issues whereby we have this list of hard-coded user types or roles, and then whenever we are approached to have a new user, to introduce a new user in the application, we have to go and update that array. That has been an issue, but then we thought of having a permission framework will go a long way in trying to solve these issues, because we believe authorization is an essential, is a backbone of any application. So what this will help us is we'll be able to differentiate different users based on what they can do in our application. So a user could have 10 permissions, another user could have 2 permissions, 3, depending on who this user is. So with that, we'll be able to set up different types of users, and these users will be able to be authorized in our application differently based on what they can do, their abilities. So with this, we introduced as a test or as a pilot project. We did this with the task module. We've worked on it for the backend, and for this sprint we worked on it. We introduced it for the front end. So currently the task module is using the permissions framework, and that's like when you visit the application and use the task module, you're going to be interacting with permissions. So the authorization aspect is being handled by our new permissions framework. We believe this will go a long way in trying to solve our issues around authorizations. This is all from me, and I hope to see you the next sprint with more interesting features. Thank you.